Assalamu alaikum. Dear all students, hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. On behalf of Milestone College, you all are welcome on Biology Practical Class. Here I am Kaji Fatima Jahan, lecturer, Department of Biology, Milestone College, with all of you on today's class. Today I am going to demonstrate the experiment number 11. The name of this experiment is Experiment of Anaerobic Respiration of Plant. Dear student, first of all, we should know what is anaerobic respiration. The respiration which takes place in absence of oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. So, let's move our today's practical class. The required materials of today's experiment are some germinated gram seeds, a test tube, a beaker, mercury, caustic potash, forceps, one petri dish, one tray, a ceramic bowl, and a stand with clamp. Dear student, now procedure. Seeds are soaked in water one day before the experiment so that they begin to germinate. Germinating seeds show higher rate of respiration. A small ceramic bowl is taken and half of it will be filled up by mercury. Then a test tube is filled up with mercury. Dear student, the mouth of the test tube to be closed perfectly by thumb and to be placed in the beaker upside down. Now the test tube to be fixed with the help of clamp of a stand. Now, some germinating gram seeds are introduced inside the test tube with the help of a forceps. The seeds will go up through the test tube above the mercury. Dear student, the experimental set is left in task position for 2 to 3 hours. Dear students, now observation. After 2 to 3 hours, it is observed that the mercury column in the test tube has gone down and a gas has been collected at the top of the mercury column in the test tube. Now, some pieces of caustic potash are introduced into the test tube with the help of forceps. After 2 to 3 hours, it is observed that the test tube again has been filled up with mercury. Dear students, now conclusion. As the released gas is absorbed by the caustic potash inside the test tube, it is confirming that the gas is carbon dioxide because in general caustic potash absorbs carbon dioxide. The gram seeds are performed anaerobic respiration because there was no air inside the test tube. Now precaution. The test tube is filled up with mercury in such a way that no air could be present. Care should be taken so that the ink of the test tube does not touch the bottom of the beaker, and the gram seeds must be fresh and germinating. Dear students, we are going to finish our today's class. I hope all of you understand our today's experiment. If you feel any problem, please discuss with your subject teacher. Thanks for watching our today's class. Thanks to all. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.